Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya, ulang baya ke building bylaws la Penteri Kamlang mentah Secretariat Hills pada ke Jaka ke European Ward. Kumta ke Jingpyndonkam yeng ni ke Jingpyndonkam jong sarkar ha Secretariat Hills pada European Ward kan kiau nak sanpo nak sispa akan rupo nak sispa bat lale akani. Namar ba ke Jaka ke Dunab ha kini kitan bat kumta ke Jingpyndonkam ke Jakaru ladon kamban Kyntiew.
These building bylaws are, as of now, as per this cabinet memo, being made applicable in the Secretariat Hill and the European Ward area. There are two categories. One is public and semi-public buildings, where we have decided that the maximum permissible plot coverage, which is normally at 50%, will be increased to 60%. So therefore, the maximum permissible plot coverage area for public and semi-public buildings in the Secretariat Hill and the European Ward area will be increased from 50% to 60%. And similarly for mixed-use buildings also, it will be increased from 50% to 60%. This is being done obviously with the view that the land are very scarce in these areas, and hence the utility of the land needs to be increased, and therefore we need to allow this permission, especially, as I said, when it comes to a lot of public spaces, including projects like the Wards Lake project that's coming up and other tourism projects that we're building up. We would like to see that maximum utility of the land is made. So with that objective, we are allowing and amending the Meghalaya building bylaws in these specific areas.